I'm Rox from Sugarwell. Welcome to my channel. Today is an experiment day. I'm going to be making a shampoo soap bar. CP soap is always going to have a pH of around 9 or 10. It's the nature of soap. Liquid shampoo usually hovers between 5 to 7. However, some people want all natural and surfactant free, so this is why I'm experimenting with this formula. In soap, most of the oils get used up by the lye during saponification, and this is why we superfat. Superfatting is adding more oil than will be used up by the lye, so there's a surplus of oil that stops the soap from being too harsh and drying on the skin. The problem is that lye doesn't distinguish between different oils and presumably, and I'm just guessing here, will gobble up whatever fat molecules it comes into contact with first. However, many fats contain what are commonly called unsaponifiables. These are usually things that are naturally present in the fat but not actually oils, so they're not used up by the lye. For example, unsaponifiables in coconut oil are tocopherols, that's vitamin A, and in grapeseed oil there's squalene. In formulating this CP soap to be used as a shampoo, I've taken lots of things into consideration, like the superfat, the unsaponifiables and properties of the additives that I'm using. I'm trying not to make this video too long, and they always seem to be long when I'm talking on them, so I'm encouraging you to research what the oils that I'm about to mention, and all the other ingredients for that matter, what they do for hair. So the oils I've chosen for this soap are coconut oil, shea butter, olive oil, watermelon seed oil and grapeseed oil. I'm adding horsetail and kaolin into this soap. Now, horsetail is a plant that's been around for 350 million years. I once found a horsetail fossil that my dad had dated. Horsetail is rich in natural silica, as is kaolin, so I'm using both for that reason alone, although they have other properties too. Both rice milk and coconut milk are meant to be great for hair, so I've made like a hybrid milk, where I boiled the rice in coconut milk and then whizzed up the rice with more coconut milk to try to get the benefits of both. Because I'm experimenting, I'm just using 300 grams of oil. That's going to be enough to make a few small bars, enough for myself, my kids and a couple of friends to be guinea pigs. I'm not going to give you my exact recipe, not yet anyway, because I might need to tweak it depending on the results. At this stage, I just want to give you some ideas for formulating your own soap.